Pancake lovers, look no further. This is the recipe you have to try. Banana blueberry Greek yogurt pancakes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My kids love pancakes. I don't typically eat them in the morning. I usually stick with eggs or just some plain Greek yogurt with honey or blueberries on top. But these pancakes I love because we're gonna add Greek yogurt to it to give it a little twist. So I haven't made these for my kids yet. They're coming home from school in a little bit, so I'm gonna make them now for you guys to see, and then I hope they like them. So we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. We have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We're gonna do 1/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. And if you guys haven't checked out yet, I have an Amazon store where you can purchase all of these items that I'm using on my show. I'm gonna link everything into that store so that if you're ever not able to find something, you'll be able to buy it on Amazon. And we'll put the link in there for you, and you can also get it on my Instagram, in my Instagram bio. So our dry ingredients are ready here. And now we're gonna do our wet ingredients. So today I'm gonna do banana and blueberry. You guys can do, do your own variation. If you don't wanna do any banana or blueberry, you could just do them plain, or you could just do one of these toppings. So I'm gonna try to put the banana into this to give it really gives it great flavor. And then the blueberries, just because I'm gonna try to get my kids to eat a little bit more of their fruit. So I'm gonna mash this banana here. And it gives it such a crazy texture. They're a lot thicker than regular pancakes, obviously, because we're gonna add the Greek yogurt to it, but I love these, so. All right, we've mashed our banana. Next, we're gonna do 1 egg. I always tell you, crack the egg in a separate bowl. Whisk that. Add that to our banana. Now we have our 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I use Stani Greek yogurt. It will be a link below where you can purchase this. Once I got started with making this recipe, I had so many ideas. And I'm gonna make some different variations for you guys later because I was thinking about all these different toppings that you can add into them. So if you'd like to leave me a comment on some of the toppings you would like me to make in these pancakes, leave me a comment and I'll check them out. So I've mixed this together. And now we're gonna do vanilla. So we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1/4 cup of whole milk. Now that all the ingredients are combined, we're just going to slowly add our dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients. I'll just start whisking that in. So we don't want to over mix this. So now we're ready to go onto the stove to cook our pancakes. For these pancakes, because the batter is a lot thicker than normal batter, I'm gonna get the pan nice and hot. Now I could feel that it's nice and hot. I'm gonna lower the heat because you want the pancakes to cook through, but I don't want them to burn them. So I'm just gonna spray the pan with non-cooking spray. I'm gonna use an ice cream scooper. This just helps me evenly distribute the batter. Scoop that on. And now that I scoop them on, and now I'm gonna add the blueberries. So now that our pancakes have kind of spread out, I'm gonna just strategically place my blueberries in there. So because of the thickness, you're not gonna see the little bubbles like you normally do on a pancake, so that's why I really do the low heat. So I'm gonna, look at that beautiful color, perfect. I'm gonna let those cook. I made these pancakes for my kids to enjoy when they get home, but I need to dig in first. Look at these, they look amazing. Ah. Oh my God, look at this, delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.